In this video, we're going to have a quick overview of the Square Website Builder. Building a website no longer requires coding knowledge, expensive developers, or months of planning. With today's tools, you can create a professional website in hours, and one of the best options for beginners and small businesses is Square Website Builder. Square, best known for its payment processing and POS systems, also offers a powerful and easy to use website builder through Square Online. It's designed for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and anyone who wants to establish an online presence quickly. The best part is that it integrates seamlessly with Square Payments, making it perfect for restaurants, retail stores, and service providers. So, we'll cover the key features and benefits of Square Website Builder, explain why it's a great choice for business owners in 2025, and wrap up with a clear conclusion on how you can get started. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the drag and drop website builder. Square makes it simple to design your website without coding. The drag and drop editor allows you to add text, images, videos, forms, and products exactly where you want them. Templates are modern, mobile friendly, and customizable, giving you a professional design without extra effort. This saves time and reduces frustration, even for first time users. You can create a polished website in just a few hours with no need to hire a designer or developer. Another key feature is the seamless payment integration. Since Square is known for payments, the integration with Square Online is effortless. Whether you're selling products, services, or digital downloads, you can accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even Afterpay directly on your site. This eliminates the hassle of setting up third-party payment gateways. Customers get a smooth checkout experience, and you receive payments securely and quickly. Another key feature is the online store and inventory management. Square Website Builder isn't just for simple websites, it's also a full e commerce solution. You can create product pages, set up categories, and track inventory in real time. It even syncs with your in person Square POS system, so sales online and in store are always connected. This unified system helps business owners avoid overselling, stay on top of stock levels, and provide a consistent experience across both physical and digital storefronts. Another key feature is the built-in marketing tools. Square Online comes with marketing tools like email campaigns, pop-up promotions, discount codes, and social media integrations. You can even connect your products to Facebook and Instagram shops, expanding your reach without extra apps. With marketing built into your website, you save money on third-party tools and have everything you need in one place to attract, convert, and retain customers. Another key feature is the affordable pricing and hosting included. Unlike some website builders that require separate hosting and domain purchases, Square includes secure hosting in every plan. There's even a free plan that lets you get started without upfront costs. Paid plans unlock advanced features like custom domains and lower transaction fees. This makes it budget friendly for small businesses and startups, allowing you to launch quickly and scale affordably as your business grows. So, why is Square a great choice? Square Website Builder is especially powerful for business owners who already use Square for payments or point of sale systems. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, you get an all in one solution that ties your online and offline sales together seamlessly. It's also beginner friendly, so the intuitive editor, pre made templates, and step by step guidance ensure that anyone, whether tech savvy or not, can build a professional website. Plus, because it's mobile optimized, your site will look great on smartphones, which is where most customers shop today. The ability to start free is another big advantage. Many business owners hesitate to invest in a website early on, but with Square's free plan, you can test the waters, build your brand, and only upgrade when you need more features. For restaurants, retailers, service providers, and small e commerce businesses, Square Website Builder is more than just a website. It's a complete business platform. So basically, Square Website Builder in 2025 makes it easier than ever to create a professional, mobile friendly website with built in payments, inventory management, and marketing tools. Whether you're selling products, booking appointments, or simply building an online presence for your brand, Square gives you everything you need in one place. So if you're a business owner looking for a fast, affordable, and integrated solution, Square Website Builder is an excellent choice. It allows you to focus on what matters most, growing your business and serving your customers. So if you've been putting off launching your website, now's the time to start. With Square, you can have your site up and running today and take your business online with confidence. So that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.